Hello everyone! Do you like macaroons? I do like them for the taste, but especially for the cute and colored aspect they have. So for today I want to show you a very easy way of making these sweets, wait for it, from paper. It's easy, but I have to tell you that it's also painstaking and you will see why. First, I should mention that I chose to crimp the paper strips with my crimping machine for a better look of the macaroons, to give them a bit of texture. Then I glued the strips together and starting rolling them into a tight coil. And rolling until I got to the desired size. You can also make them smaller than I did, but keep in mind that if they will be smaller, the overall look won't be the same if you are using 5mm strips, so you should use 2.5 or 3mm strips. Trust me, I tried. Next, I started to shape one half of the macaroon, and when I got to the desired form, I secured it in place by applying glue on the inside, making sure I don't mess the outside with the glue. I let it dry and voila! I previously made the cream of the macaroons the same way, but without shaping it, just applying glue to remain in place. Since I use so much paper with all of this, I want to give you some tricks and tips of how to save some paper when making the cream by simply finding something round and using it for the interior and rolling the paper on it. I took my round thing from a soda bottle. The last part of the process is applying glue on the inside margins of the two halves and matching everything together, in the correct order of course. I had some more done that took me forever, but they are so cute that I finally forgot about all the effort. I wanted to display them somehow, so I found an ice cream bowl in the kitchen and I placed them graciously in it. I might actually prank somebody with this, because if you don't look very carefully, you might think they are real and want to eat some. Another way of displaying them is placing them inside a jar. Mine, it was a little bit smaller, but it did the job. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. And let me know in a comment if you want to eat a macaroon after you watch this. Take care and bon appetit!